this is called set dosa. So normally dosas are big ones, but this is a small dosa. And the other types of dosa that we see in the market are either plain dosa or masala dosa, where they stuff the entire dosa with a lot of potatoes and masalas. And those dosas are very crispy or thin in nature. But when you see a set dosa, how do you know it is set dosa? First of all, the size will be small. It will be circular in shape, and you can see the thickness of this dosa. Normally in other restaurants it is quite thick, but here what we have seen is it is a bit thinner as far as the thickness goes, but it is very soft and mushy. So this is a set dosa. As for South Indian tradition, they'll serve it on a steel plate. On top of that there are banana leaves. I don't know whether I'm eating in the right way, whether it should be on the left or whether it should be on the right. Pardon me for that. But then it looks very good. Here we have the usual coconut chutney, which is mixed with pudina. That's why it is looking green. And here we have in the masala. In North India, we call it the aloo ki dum. So aloo ki dum normally comes in two variety. One is the liquid one, where you have aloo, there is potato and gravy, and one is the solid stuff. So in this aloo ki dum, there are a lot of onions, there are a lot of potatoes, there are a lot of curry patta, and there are a lot of moogs. So they have basically smashed this properly, and then they have fried it. And here is the red chutney. So I am going to taste it. I am eating with spoon, but while in South India, the best way to eat food is with hand, where you really enjoy the food. This is really soft and really mushy. I would recommend you should try it, but before trying you should see what is the size of the set dosa. In some places the set dosas are very thick, which are not very tasty, but here you get a very thin, not very thin, it's like medium sized set dosa, and these are really tasty.